Now I know what you're thinking. This is the epitome of cool. It's not, is it? But, shall I tell you what is? The Jaz Hotel in Stuttgart. Now, it's a small hotel group. There is a big travel company called Jaz, mostly American based. This is a European based Jaz Hotels. Now, I stayed in the one in Stuttgart. I'm going to put links in the description below to all the Jaz Hotels, because when you have a look around at this place, it is the epitome of cool. It's one of the smartest, mid-ranged, coolest hotels I've ever stayed in. And it's in Stuttgart. It's walking distance from the train station. It's very easy to get to. It's right in the centre. You can wander down to the river. It is perfect. As you can see, the outside of the building has got classic modern design, almost Art Deco in my mind. Lobby area, it's modern, so it's automated, but there are human beings you can speak to. There is a vending machine that I'm not sure you can speak to the vending machine. Mind you, it does sell beer, so if you've drunk enough beer, you could probably have a nice chat with it. There's a smart restaurant downstairs, and there's a very cool brasserie upstairs. I went upstairs, and I had a burger on the terrace, and I have to say, it was great. You walk into this bar, and it's definitely a rooftop location for Stuttgart. So there are a lot of people go there, DJ playing, it's all open air. Well, you can see. I've got to get my pointing right in these videos. Yeah, you can see what it looks like in the rooftop. And yes, it's very cool. But they were very friendly. I had a tip-top burger. And now, let me show you a bit of the room. Now, it was a boiling hot day when I stayed. It was like 30 degrees in Stuttgart. And when you're walking around 30 degrees, this is the hotel room you want. Light, cool, airy, comfortable. My only criticism was the desk chair, because I felt it looked like garden furniture. Aesthetically, I suppose, for design, it was for purpose. But to sit and do some work, which I actually did, promise I did. Yeah, it wasn't that comfortable. Mind you, some other really good comfy chairs in there. And of course, a yoga mat, which I took full use of. Yeah, so whether you're staying in Stuttgart or one of the other locations, I know there's a Jaz in Amsterdam. I highly recommend it. Well worth checking out. I thought it's the place to be. Now, if the bar in your city that you're visiting is in your hotel, you've picked the right hotel, haven't you? So, the Jaz Stuttgart. And if you want to hear more chats about hotels, and I'll tell you what, tomorrow we'll stay in Stuttgart, because I did stay in Stuttgart for 2 days, and the hotel tomorrow, very different, a bit more traditional, a bit more what you'd expect for a out-of-town Stuttgart hotel. Do we know what we expect for an out-of-town Stuttgart hotel? Anyway, if you fancy that, join me tomorrow. And if you fancy a little chat about lots of the 125 hotels that I've stayed at now, then yeah, please do press the subscribe button. It is free, of course. And if you ring the bell, YouTube will notify you when I publish a video. I know, we have to say it. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow, and I will show you around and tell you a little bit about the Hilton at Stuttgart. It's actually at Stuttgart Stadium. Well, I did visit the stadium, but the highlight was something else nearby. Okay, tune in tomorrow for that, and I will tell you all about it.